guys! Tara, samahan nyo kaming magpunta sa Camp Niño. Dito lang yan, here sa Tanay, Rizal. By the way guys, this is only a day tour trip. So, nandito na kami guys and this is the place. So, sobrang lawak niya. Very good for camping, events, and ayun, if you want to unwind. And ito talaga yung pinunta namin here, yung makapag-activities and maligo sa ilog. So, ganito nga pala yung bubungad sa inyo, like super fresh running water. So, ayan, ang sarap magtampisaw dyan. Lalo na't, ayan, umaga. And as you can see is, ayun, malinaw talaga din yung tubig. So, I think it's around 7 to 8 in the morning. And as you can see, kami lang din talaga yung tao dito sa place. Kaya naman talaga sobrang sarap mag-relax. And by the way guys, cottage lang pala yung kinuha namin since this would be only a day tour and later, ayan, uwi rin naman kami. So, ayan, tamang chill, unwind, and feel the vibes ng place. And of course, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, it's ligo time na sa ilog. By this time, happy na naman yung mga kiddos kasi ayun, makakapag-swim sila kahit, ayan, mababaw lang. Pero 'di ba, super enjoy. So, tamang tampisaw, paaraw, and this is a therapy that our bodies needs. And of course, aside sa pagligo, we do this ATV activity. So, what we did here is, ayun, nag-arkila lang kami netong ATV. And ito si Nanay, yung nag-assist sa amin sa play. So, ayan, siya daw muna. And picture. My day. So, ayan, after mag-video ni Nanay, ito naman si Kuya, inassist kami on how to operate itong kanyang ATV. And syempre, of course, let's go na. So, ayan, tamang ikot-ikot lang sa place. And, ayun nga, since mabato siya, medyo mahirap lang din siyang bilisan. Kasi, ayun, super rough ng daanan. So, ayan, walang humpay sa pagdadrive, ikot-ikot sa place, and of course, feel in the vibes. And of course, syempre, hindi rin namin pinalagpas na magpalipad ng drone to take aerial shots sa place since ayun nga, itong lugar na to is napakaganda, super greeny, and of course, super peaceful. Kaya naman if you want to unwind with your friends, family, or your loved ones, you can try here sa Camp Niño. And this is only here in Tanay, Rizal. So, ayan, by that time, sobrang nakaka-amaze ng place. Kasi ano ba namang makikita mo? Like, puro bundok, skies, puno, and ayun, mga running water. So, ayan, that time, mayroong mga dumaan na rider. So, ayan, nakakatawa lang silang panoorin kasi, diba, super enjoy sila sa kanilang mga ginagawa. Kaya naman itong kiddos na to, ayan, super enjoy din sa pagligo. Tamang laro ng tubig, ayan, here sa batuhan. Kaya naman I can say na this is a good place that you can spend with your loved ones or family na for sure mag-e-enjoy kayo. And ayan, syempre, walang humpay na pagdadrive ng ATV. So, ayan, tamang ikot, lap trip, and creating memories kami here. So, ayan, super enjoy. Lalo na siguro kung madami kayo like with your friends. So, perfect talaga siya for bonding. And it feels like parang nakasakay ka sa ride since, ayun nga, medyo rough talaga yung daanan. And, ayun, may mga tubig-tubig. So, nakaka-enjoy din siya at the same time. So, ayan, after namin, ayan, sila naman. So, tamang ikot-ikot ulit sa place. And kahit mainit, go lang. Since enjoy and priceless naman yung moment. So, this would be added to our happy memories. Ika nga, we just knew we were having fun, but we didn't realize that we are making memories. So, ayan, after naming magbanlaw, tamang pahinga and kain lang here dito sa Gedli. And after nyan, biyahe na ulit pa Manila. And of course, back to reality. Kaya naman, if you have enough time, spend it with your loved ones. So, thank you for watching, guys!